I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the cells or full column that show overflow. This is essential. Once selected, look at the toolbar. Click Text Wrapping and choose Wrap to force line breaks, or choose Overflow Control when available. Make sure to set a fixed column width if you want predictable layout. Go to Resize Column and enter a pixel value. This first step gives you control over display, so the sheet stops visually spilling into adjacent cells. Once done with selection, apply Wrap from Format Text Wrapping. This makes text flow onto multiple lines, preventing spill. Now adjust row height to auto-fit or manually set a pixel height so wrapped lines are visible. Right-click row number and choose Resize Row. Make sure vertical alignment is top or middle so wrapped lines read naturally. If you prefer fixed layout, set column width and then wrap. That combination stops overflow while keeping your grid tidy. Finally, verify merged cells. Merged ranges often block wrapping. Unmerge any problem cells and reapply wrap. If you need strict character limits, use left or truncate formulas so entries fit a set width. This changes content, so use with care. If wrapping looks wrong, clear formatting or refresh the sheet. Sometimes legacy formats prevent wrap. If nothing fixes it, copy values to a new sheet to isolate formatting. These steps finish the process and resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.